Okay, quick tour. This is the official first house showing apartment. Let's see. Got our intro, couch, cool flag. Ooh, our plants out there. I'll show you in a minute. All that stuff. Loving it. This is where we make our food. It's dirty right now, but we're on it. This is where I do my homework. Say what's up, fellas. These are some pictures AG drew because she's a beast. I'll show you some more of hers in a second. Over here we got our bedroom. This is the bathroom. Gotta be quiet. Baby's sleeping. Say hi. There he is.
Almost sleeping.
What's it? Oh, you guys scared him. Come on. There's my closet. This is his little bed. Pictures of us and friends. My setup. Yeah, but this is it. Oh yeah, here's AG's art. Boom. Look at all this stuff. Look at that one. I love this one.
Which one?
The squiggly head. Yeah. Anyways, she's selling them. Go support her at AG Artistry, right?
Yeah.
Boom. Go do it. Yeah, this is my favorite. It's my favorite place out here. Watch. Y'all are gonna love it. Boom. Plants. Table. Awesome. We do have a little bit of a wasp problem. So I just finished spraying those dudes. Where you at? Yeah, they're not friendly, but they are dead now. So hopefully they stay that way. Okay, so the main reason I'm doing these type of videos now, I just need to knock out a ton of them. Just gonna do these every single day. Let y'all just follow me around. Pretty much I'm just working, going to school, doing my own studies here, and taking care of the baby. So I got lots of stuff to do. But y'all can see me and how I am. You guys get to visit the baby. Lucky for you, lucky dogs. So right now, I don't have class till 12:30. It's 9. So I got a few hours. I'm gonna meditate, do some homework, some reading. I guess not homework. Gonna do some other reading, some studying, get ready for class today. And I'll see y'all after that. Okay, before I get started with everything, I'm showing you Romy. He's awake now. He's a total beast. I love him. He's the greatest thing in the world. Here he is. Romy, say hi. Say hi, buddy. I always look to this side. Camera's there. I'm working on it. I came out here to feed our other babies, but there's a wasp who's challenging me, so I gotta show him who's the alpha. In the meantime, let's feed some plants. Come here, planty, planty, planty. Hopefully I can do this with one hand. Good boy. Who's a good boy? This dude's dead, but might as well. There you go. This is Nathaniel. Say hi, Nathaniel. Hi, guys. He's still working on his accent. Oh, there he is. Yeah, get out of here. Oh my. Yeah. Oh. I mean, I'm not scared. They can sense fear. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. He's just figuring out his place is dead. Oh, sorry. There you go. Oh, hey. I am a confident man. Oh, please. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Nope. Keep going. Okay. Well, I'm gonna let him figure things out for a second, and I'll see you after that. I didn't want to have to do this, but sometimes mercy is not an option. Okay, he was gone, but just in case, we're ready. We're ready for battle. Wasp, if you're watching this, bring it on. I'll be here 5 p.m. tonight, this evening. Challenge me, bro. Bring it on. Okay, I'm about to do some laundry. I'm sorry I don't have better things to talk about. If you guys want to just ask questions in the comments, I'll answer them throughout the videos, just daily conversation type stuff. So yeah, ask me some questions and I'll answer them during the next video. I'm gonna pretend y'all just asked me about why I'm studying psychology and philosophy. I just want to understand as much as possible about who I am and who other people are, so that way I can make myself the best person I can be, and then eventually I can help other people be the best that they can be. And I can't do that unless I know how we work. So that's why right now I'm studying psychology, gonna get a lot of cognitive stuff figured out, studying philosophy, that way I can figure out how the world works and how I think it should work. And then I'm studying some neuroscience stuff on my own time. That way I can just figure out a lot of the inside stuff and what affects us outside of just situational type things. So there's that. So far so good. I've been studying this stuff for a few months. Say it for a few months. Probably for the last few years, but just recently I'm getting really interested in it. I didn't know what I wanted to do before. Now I've got a general idea. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep learning, working on making myself better. That way I can support these guys over there and be a good example for Romy. Show him you can do anything. I don't want to tell him that he can do anything if I'm not living it out myself. So that's what I'm trying to do. And that's why I'm studying psychology and philosophy at TCU. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to see how you can do better, or just have any questions about anything really, go ahead and comment down below. If you want some one-on-one session, how you can break bad habits or gain new good ones like that, let me know, because I've got all the secrets. If you knew me before, let's see, I failed junior year. I barely got into TCU. Okay, I'll give myself credit there. I got into TCU. That's all that matters. But that was just because I pulled it together and really got my act. But yeah, now I do nothing. I don't play video games. I don't watch TV. I just read and study because I got those habits down. And if you knew me before, you'd know that that is totally crazy. How in the world could Isaiah ever do that? But here I am now, folks. All right, let that be a lesson. You can do anything. And if you want some help, let me know. Okay, I'll be right back. Aw, man. I nicked myself shaving. I'm still learning. Sorry, Pa. My hair's growing out. I got a really bad haircut. Sorry if you see this lady who cut my hair. But it's growing out. It's looking better now. But yeah, okay. So I'm gonna do some review. I've got a quiz later, so I'm gonna do that. And then, oh yeah, then I'm gonna meditate, and then I'm gonna head to class. Okay, we've got lots of food in there. I'm trying to work off some of this stuff, trying to get ripped. So protein shake it is. Okay, so I just finished my meditation. I started doing this using this app. It's called Mindset Meditation and Self-Help. I was interested at first, wasn't sure how it was gonna go, but it's super cool, like really cool. You got to check it out. I don't really know what to do right now. I've got a lot of stuff on my to-do list still. I'll put it right here. To-do list. Let you read that for a second. Sorry, moving. There we go. So yeah, I'll let y'all see me knock those out today. Hopefully I'll get a bunch of them done. I'm gonna try to get all of them done. But yeah, so right now I guess I'm gonna do some reading, some studying. I might have a photo shoot right now if AG will be down. I need some more pictures for my Instagram and stuff. I don't have like any. So we'll see what's about to happen. Mission is a go, boys. Let's do it. Also, I didn't just ask AG to do a photo shoot. She was already using her camera, so no biggie. Bye, y'all. Bye. Love you. Okay, well, class went fantastic. Okay, I'm super sweaty, but yeah, headed home. Gonna do some work. Gotta be back here at 6:30, a little bit before 6:30, and then I'll be back home around 9. All right, let's see what's up with AG and the baby. Oh, there you are, camera. Sorry, I'm not looking at you. Hey. Been up to today, babe?
We have been walking around, seeing some sights.
Oh yeah? Well, oh, just like in here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
so
cool. Okay, while I was eating, I went ahead and made a post using the pictures we took this morning. All right, I know y'all are in the future right now, but pray for me because I cannot find parking and it starts in 2 minutes. It'll be fine though. Lots of people are coming late, but I'm gonna have to leave early because my class starts at 7 and this starts at 6:30. It's 6:28 right now. Been running around all day trying to get stuff done, but I love it though. It's the best, okay? Don't get me wrong, I'm loving it. Okay, we're only a couple minutes late, but I see it, we're here. Hopefully I'll still get extra credit if I'm only here for like 20 minutes. You know, as I had a baby, so maybe he'll be lenient, but we'll see. Let's go. Oh, I tried to take a picture to prove that I was there. Tried to take a picture to prove I was there, but I didn't realize my flash was on. So I got a really stupid looking picture of myself. I'll put that right here. I know it's not my best, but it's also not my worst. Headed to class right now, should be right on time. I have a quiz to make up because I was gone on Thursday having a baby. We'll see what she says. Maybe I'll have to take it today. Hopefully I can take it on Thursday. But wish me luck if I happen to take it. Okay, math class went super well. Auditorium thing went right already. Okay, class went super well. I went ahead and knocked out all my homework during class, and then I did have to take the quiz, but did that during class as well, so I got out right on time. Mom, I'm sorry, I know you don't want to hear that I wasn't paying attention, but it's a really easy class. I got a 100 on both the homework and the quiz, so you'll be proud of me. Now I'm headed home, gonna go do some more work, spend some time with the baby, and probably hit the hay. All right, y'all, winding down for the night. It's about an hour later now. I got the baby to sleep. He was crying his freaking eyes out, harder than ever before. But finally he fell asleep. AG's resting. Here's my to-do list now. Got everything pretty much done. I didn't work out today. I just need to start waking up earlier. That way I can get things done. I woke up at about 8:30 today. I'm gonna try to pull that back down to about 6:30, but just the baby has been keeping us up, so I've been taking a chance to sleep in when I can. But I want to wake up earlier, that way I can get more done. But yeah, dude, today firing on all cylinders. I don't know if it was the camera or just the fact that I had so many different things that I had going on today, but I was 100% on it. Not bragging on myself, but this was an unusual day. I've been trying to do this for a while, but I got it. I'll see you tomorrow. Wish me luck. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave different comments. I don't remember what all I said about the comments. So much has gone on today. But whatever I said, go ahead and comment those down below. And don't be afraid to reach out. Thanks for watching. Be praying for our sleep and sanity with the baby. Bye. Have a nice one.